So guys, today we are making a chicken barbecue burgers, right? And for that I have taken chicken and I've taken barbecue. You can see the entire recipe. I'll also mention it in the description. I'm using boneless chicken, thigh or breast. You can use anything. So for that I have taken some barbecue sauce because this will enhance the flavor of these burgers that I'm making. It will give a very good flavor to it. So the measurement I've already told. Now I'm going to start with the marination of it. You can you know use ready-made barbecue sauce. If you know how to make it, you can find a recipe and make a barbecue sauce yourself as well. But I'm going to use a ready-made I just have the ready-made sauce, and then you can also always use it for other items as well. So let's get started. Let's marinate our chicken. Okay, so for the marination, I have taken chicken and I have added the barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup barbecue sauce. I've added the salt and pepper, half teaspoon. I've also added half teaspoon red chili flakes, and I've also added 1 tablespoon of vinegar in it. And I have also added 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic in it. Garlic gives an amazing flavor, and garlic is very good for your health as well. So I've added some chopped garlic as well, and I'm going to let this sit for few minutes, and then I will fry it in the oil till the chicken is done, till it's tender, till it's soft. You need to let the chicken fry in the sauce for at least like 15 minutes or 20 minutes, till the chicken is absolutely tender. That it should not be hard, the inconsistency, it should be soft so that you can shred the chicken easily. So I wanted to show the red chili flakes to those people who don't know what the red chili flakes is. This is the red chili flake that I've added in the marination. I've just added half teaspoon of it. In case if you like it to be very spicy, then you can put 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons according to your taste, that you like it so spicy and hot. Alright, you can also add hot sauce to this recipe. I don't have hot sauce, I'm not going to add it. Okay, so I'm also going to make caramelized onion. Caramelized onions are amazing in burgers, and it has this sweetish touch to it. So if you can see, I've taken 2 onions, I've chopped it in slices, I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in it, and I've also added 1/4 cup of water in it, and I'm going to let it simmer till this. If you can see, it's getting simmered in its water and in the butter, and I'm going to wait for these onions to become really soft and golden brown. The next thing is that I have to make the honey mustard sauce. Okay, so I have to put that in the burger. For that I've taken half cup mayonnaise, I've taken 1 tablespoon of mustard paste or sauce, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of honey in it, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm going to give it a good mix, and my sauce is going to be ready. Okay, so it's really beautiful. My buns are ready, and I'm going to add the honey mustard sauce. You can see this yellow texture. It's the honey mustard sauce, and it's really divine. I'm going to put it on the burger. My chicken is shredded and it's absolutely ready. The caramelized onion looks like this, golden brown. You need to make this color. Also I'm going to place it inside this. I'm also going to add cheddar cheese. So I'm going to place the onions in it, the caramelized onion. I've added the chicken. You can use 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken in the burger, and I'm going to add my slices of cheese in it. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to let the cheese melt in my oven or microwave, whatever. You need the cheese to melt in your pan or whatever, and the burgers will become nice, and the cheese will melt, and it's going to be divine. It's just, if you want, you can serve it with french fries. I don't have french fries, so I'm just going to eat the burger, burger itself, and you can add some extra mustard in it to make it more juicy and amazing. So we're going to cover it up, and we're going to put it in our oven for the cheese to melt. So my burger is ready after the cheese has melted. I took it out, and this is what my burger looks like. It's divine. It has these amazing flavors in it, and you can indulge in it. So this is what the thing looks like, and the chicken is really having a barbecue flavor in it, and the honey mustard sauce and the honey, the cheese and all makes this burger more delicious. I hope you like this recipe.